Answers to questions about the vertical grow tower, like how do you refill it and how do you support heavy plants? Well, you can refill it through any one of the empty spots. You put your finger in, and if you feel nutrients, don't do anything. But if you can't feel it, just add some nutrients through here. Now I've got 8 holes drilled and only 2 or 3 tomato plants in each one, so there's plenty of spots to use. Or if you're not up against a wall, you have access in the back. Supporting heavy plants is easy. We're going to use the same spots that the pool noodles were in. I just get a little garden twine and some S-hooks. Tie a knot, make it a slip knot so you can adjust it later. And just hook it to one of the spots. You don't really have to pull out the pool noodle, but I'm just showing you where it goes. Tie up your plant and attach the other side. Now just repeat that for all your plants. Easy as can be. I leave a little excess at the end so I can always adjust it. If you got more questions, ask in the comments so I know what video to make next.